In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to Wix. By the end, you'll know how to open the Wix editor, add a chart app from the marketplace, pick the right chart type, and customize it so your data looks clean, on brand, and easy to understand. First, head to wix.com/studio and open your site in the Wix editor. On the left toolbar, click Add Apps. This opens the Wix app market where you'll find tools that plug directly into your site. In the search bar, type charts or graphs. You'll see several options, including Wix charts if it's available in your region, as well as third-party choices like POWR charts and ElfSite charts. Take a quick look at the app descriptions, screenshots, and reviews to understand features and limitations. Some apps focus on simple visuals, while others offer more advanced styling or multiple data series. Choose the one that best fits your needs and matches the level of control you want. Next, click Add to Site. The app will drop a placeholder chart onto your canvas and open its settings. This is where you configure your data. Add your categories and values directly in the app's data panel. If you're comparing multiple items, create additional series, clearly naming each so the legend is meaningful. Keep your labels concise and consistent, and double-check units so viewers don't have to guess what the numbers represent. With your data in place, choose a chart type. Use a bar chart for comparing categories side by side, a line graph to show change or trends over time, and a pie or donut chart to highlight parts of a whole. If your totals don't add up to 100%, a pie or donut won't be as clear, so consider a bar chart instead. Finally, customize the look and feel so it aligns with your brand. Adjust colors to match your palette, and use strong contrast between series and the background for readability. Turn on data labels when they add clarity and keep them short to avoid clutter. Set legends to a position that doesn't compete with the chart. Top or right often works well. And make sure the legend text matches the series names you defined. If the app offers animation, keep it subtle and purposeful so it draws attention without slowing the viewer down. Small tweaks go a long way. Refine axis titles, round decimals where appropriate, and make sure text sizes are legible across devices. That's it. You searched the app market, added a chart, configured your data, chose the right visualization, and tailored the design to your site. Now your Wix pages can communicate data clearly and look great doing it.